Happy Valentine, Mama. Yes, happy Valentine's. I love you. Yes, I love you, Mama. Yeah, Mommy loves ya. Yes. Happy Valentine. Ooh. Yes. Yes, you saying happy Valentine's? Yes. Yeah. We matchy matchy? Yes, Mama. Yes, we matchy matchy. Happy Valentine from Nalani and Mommy. Yes. I love you, my munchkin. I love you so much. Mwah. Oh, baby. This is my Nalani and sweet baby. Look, we matching. We the same hat. Yes. Mwah. Mwah. Yes, you're so cute. 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 Yes. Yes. Ah, look at that. Look at that. You're so cute. Happy Valentine's. Happy Valentine's. I love you. I love you. I love you. I love you. Yes, Mama. I love you. Mommy and Daddy loves you. Yes. We love you. Yay. Look at the balloon. Balloon. You hear that balloon? Yes. This is Nyla, you guys. She's so pretty. Yeah. Such a cutie in her pink outfit. And she's meeting Nalani for the first time. Yes, so Nyla meets Nalani. Hey, my little munchkin. Hey, Nalani. So today you're officially 39 weeks and 2 days. And today's date is December 2nd, 2018. So I just want you to know that I'm your mommy. And yes, you're in my little tummy, as you can see here. And oh, this is Nyla. So this is your best friend. And well, she can't wait to meet you. So do I. So I just want you to know how much I really love you and appreciate you so much. And I thank God every day for putting you in my life and for making you my beautiful little princess. And I'm hoping, praying that you be the best that you can be and help to make the world a better place. I pray that you be kind to everyone, especially the needy, just like your mommy. I also pray that you be very helpful in whatever way you can and give back as much as you can once you have it. I pray that you are not selfish and all for yourself, but for everyone. And I pray that you be as beautiful as an angel. I also hope that you be most of all humble and be appreciative of whatever you receive or whatever we can afford to provide you with. And whatever we go out of our way to give you, that you learn to accept it and not wanting more. I also hope that you be very loving to everyone that you meet, be caring, care for everyone as well. Yes, I'm talking to you. Oh, look at that. Yes. Oh, my little baby's moving. Yes, mommy's talking to you, mama. And I wish for you success in life. I wish for you nothing but the best. I pray that I'm able to afford it so you can go to the best school there is, the best college there is, to give you a great education that I possibly can. I built my room, bathroom, and kitchen, and now I'm passing it on to you. So whatever I have now belongs to you. It's no longer mine. And henceforth, everything I work for from this day forth belongs to you. Nothing I have belongs to me anymore. And I'm just glad and grateful that I'm able to give you a start, a beginning, something to go on with in life for you to take further with you. And I'm just hoping that you be as humble as a lamb. Don't take anything for granted. Don't laugh at anyone. Don't be scornful to anyone. Don't be jealous of anyone because jealousy kills. And there's a saying that says, what goes around comes around. And trust me, it does comes around. So whatever you do now in life to anyone, whether good or bad, it will come back around one day in the future. And you just never know when that day will be. So I hope that you'll always do good in every single way that you can and to everyone. I pray that you be peaceful. Don't be a bother or a trouble to anyone, but to be sweet, loving, and kind. I also pray that you be honest, no stealing, be truthful, always tell the truth as it is. Whatever went on, say that's how it went on, no lies. Because what's in the darkness always come to the light. That's another saying. Yes, my munchkin. Mommy's feeling you moving. So I'm just hoping for the best for you in every single way. I pray that you go to church every Sunday and take part on the choir, in dancing, in sign language, whatever activities they have at church. I pray that you be a part of it because your mommy was. So I pray that you go to church regular. I also pray that you be very strong because there's so many things going on now in this world, and most of it is not pretty. But I'm hoping and praying that you be so strong that nothing or no one can break you but you, and that your strength be as strong as a lion. I also pray that you be as beautiful